Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of my brother's keeper. Undumiso wants Utsidi no Khathazile to have a cordial relationship, to be civil with each other, because at this point Ukhatha ubambe position kaMamkhulu because she is the eldest makoti. Abambeke position kaMamkhulu ufuna ukuthi hayi izinto zenzeke uthi that phela uyazi ukuthi umuntu akangifuni. Ukhathazile athi hayi mina yazi nangibona ukuthi wayemele ngene kule relationship yenu, but ke eventually he was able to make sure ukuthi they sit and they have a civil talk and they are going to have a conversation. Hopefully that will bring them together and as abomakoti bazwana sharp. Then uFakazile is excited ngebirthday kaNcubeko because uthathe advice ka Khathazile ukuthi it's either you keep the peace, you let other things go and you save your marriage, because you can't have them both. It's either your marriage or your anger. Choose one. And then she chose the marriage. I prepare man abe busy nomakazi kwenziwa izinto zenzeke. Asase show ukuthi hayi izinto ziyenzeka bambize emeetingini. Meeting yani abobhuti laba bahleli ba discussa bafaka uNcubeko under the bus. uNcubeko uthi uyahala bathi sithi thina izwenzakala kaso wathi uthi uNcubeko bathi sithi wathi uthi uNcubeko bathi sithi. So ke it means ukuthi athanda angathandi uNcubeko kumele avume ukuthi ibusiness iyabuya ezandleni zakamshengu and then iyahamba kuphi kuFakazile. Hayi fine uFakazile asamele umuntu wakhe ukuthi uzomsurprise umakazi naye sekathi hayi sengiyam accepta lo muntu wakho vele into yenu bengayivumi mara sengiyayivuma. Bambize ke emeetingini, mafika kuleyo meeting leyo buza bamtshela ukuthi girl sisiyakhipha sekuzoba ifamily business. uNcubeko uyozoqhubeka nabantwana la mele kuqhubeke nakhona, angaphulanga indlu, angashisanga indlu yonke uFakazile ngeke aphinda ayishisile. Ngithi bekakwate ugirl angazi ukuthi ayenzeni, yazi makabheka uNcubeko ubheke phansi, he can't respond. Remember, she still has that question mark yokuthi uNcubeko was feeling sorry for uNomsa. After uNomsa had taken abantwana, usamxolela uNomsa, usafila sorry for uNomsa, usabiza uNomsa as umfazi wakhe. That was nje on its own a red flag yokuthi njani because of isimo sethu sila. So equation nayi guys Emile uzoyenzani uFakazile manje sekazi ukuthi laba bayangibackstabber.